Hello, my kettle bugs. It's Anna Marie Mukbang, or Anna Marie. I went back to my former Anna Marie name this year. And today I want to show you guys how to make a sweet potato and bean smoky chili in the Instapot. You can make this in the crock pot. It'll just take a lot longer. If you're making it in the crock pot, make sure that you put all the ingredients in at once and let it cook on low for 8 hours. If you're making it in the Instapot, it takes about 20 minutes, which is really awesome. So yeah, let's get this recipe started. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this recipe with all your friends. And let's get the show on the road. And I do apologize for my voice. I have laryngitis. But I'm trying here because I need to eat. I haven't eaten much. And this is really going to be really nice for my stomach and really nice for this cold winter days. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so for your seasoning, we have smoked paprika. You're going to need about 1.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika, two teaspoons of cumin seed, this is a 1/2 teaspoon, so we're going to use 4. One teaspoon of dried oregano, you can use fresh too. We need about a pinch of salt. I'm just using kosher salt. And then we just need a little bit of spice to your taste. Just like that. So that's your spice mixture for this chili. Just give it a little stir. Look at that smoked paprika. You can also use chili powder, but I'm using smoked paprika. So there's that. Alright, so next we're going to get into our ingredients. And the first thing you're going to need is some extra virgin olive oil or any kind of oil that you want to use. You're going to use a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. You can use any color bell pepper you want to, just to give some color. You're going to dice up 2 medium sweet potatoes into cubes. I peeled them as well. You need minced garlic. You can buy it in a jar or mince it yourself. You need to have chicken stock or vegetable stock. In this case, we're doing some bouillon cubes. And so it will be vegetarian if you use vegetable stock. Then we have our spice that we just made. That's our chili spice, and it's going to be very important to have that. Then dice up a nice red onion because we will need to saute some flavor into that. You need about tomato paste, 1 can of drained, already washed black beans, Rotel fire roasted tomatoes. It has to be Rotel because they taste so good. And then you need some water. And then of course you need your Instapot for this recipe. Alright, so let's get our Instapot. We need to push saute. We gotta start getting it rolling. It doesn't matter what the time is on your Instapot because we're just sauteing it anyway. If it says 8 minutes, it's gonna turn off after 8 minutes of sauteing. Okay, So now you're going to add your extra virgin olive oil or any kind of oil, about a tablespoon at the bottom, just because we're going to saute our onions and we're going to start getting it fragrant. So let's get it in. Now let's add in our garlic. And our bell peppers. Look how pretty they are. Okay, so let's add our spices. Really mix it around so your spices don't start sticking. You need to add your spices so that you can start getting those essential oils coming out of them. Especially since they're dry spices. Oh, and it really starting to smell like chili now. See if I can get some for you. Look at that. Just about a minute, and you're gonna turn saute off. Okay. Turn this off. Now add your liquids. Stir it so you make sure none of the spices are stuck on the bottom. Because if they're stuck on the bottom and it's hot, it's going to tell you it's burning. When it's really not, just keep cooking it. But yeah, just make sure it's all incorporated and beautiful. Okay. And it smells beautiful, you guys. Now we're gonna add our sweet potatoes and our beans. All of them. Stir those in. This is easy and nutritious, you guys. Like I said, you can make it vegan by adding a different bouillon. I eat meat, so it doesn't matter for me. But if I had a vegan friend or a vegetarian friend, I'd use a different kind of liquid base. So we're looking beautiful. We got those in. Now we're not going to add the tomatoes quite yet. We're going to pressure cook this. We're going to cook these babies down. Okay? We got enough liquid. We're not over the max. We're going to do pressure cook manual. And we're going to do 8 minutes. make sure your nozzles turn up so that it's not venting. You have to seal it. Oh, my baby's got some yucks on it. So 8 minutes, it's on, it's ready to roll. Okay, once that 8 minutes is up, you're gonna naturally release it, which is gonna take 10 minutes. Okay, so we'll see you when that is done. We're getting there. It's done, but I have to wait till this little lever goes down. It's very hot, so we just gotta wait for it to naturally release. Alright, so our thing went down. Let's open it up. Look at that color. Wow. And it's not even done yet, guys. So now we want to turn it on a saute. Just so that we have enough time with the saute mode to get the tomatoes in there. Right? So let's add in our tomatoes. And our tomato paste. Then you want to incorporate the tomatoes into the chili, but don't smash. You got nice sweet potatoes here, and you don't want to smash them up. At this point, taste a little of the juice. It's good. Except for I need a little bit more salt. Okay, and we want to saute it so it gets a little bit thicker. I'm going to add in a little bit more of red pepper too. So let this sit and saute for about 5 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so now this is what it's going to look like when it's ready to eat. Wow, look at that, you guys. Get a scooper here. Wow. Look at that amazingness. So let's get a bowl here. Just gonna use one of these. Okay, so let's try the chili, you guys. I know I don't have makeup on or anything, but I've been sick, so hopefully this soup is gonna, or this chili is gonna help. Oh my god. It is so good. Wow. It has a little tiny kick of spice. That's because I put the more chilies in it. You can taste this. The sweet potatoes are just so soft and good. The beans have more of a, not crunchy, but more of a thick consistency, whereas the, like a bean consistency, and whereas the potatoes, they are more fall apart. The bell peppers are nice and soft. This is a good recipe. Yum. And it's so warm and comforting. You just gotta try this. Mmm. Yum. Alright guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy cooking. A bowl of this chili is not going to run you very many calories. I'd say like 200 calories. I didn't count it all up or anything. Or less. So, especially a bowl this size, it's probably like 150 calories. It's really good. It's really warming. I really hope you guys like this recipe. And yeah.